What's up sa inyo mga pre? Ngayong araw gutom na naman si Vika.
I ordered something. I ordered Russian food. Imagine you can find it in Philippines.
May natagpuan kasi si Vika sa Instagram, so hindi niya ini-expect na ano.
Na meron dito sa Philippines. I was scrolling, and then I found Russian food you can buy pala in the Philippines.
So meron dito sa Manila, pwede ka mag-order sa Manila ng Russian foods. Authentic talaga Russian food, yung gumagawa mismo.
Russian people?
Oo, Russian people. Kasi kapag chinachat niya yung ano, yung account nung ano sa Instagram Russian. So hindi ko alam kung pwede kang mag-order siguro English, nakakaintindi naman. Syempre nandito sila sa Pilipinas.
Other account have really like a website and it's really in English.
Gumagawa ng gumagawa ng palusot si BK. Sabi niya sa akin, honey, gusto mo ba may papatikim ako, i-vlog natin, may papatikim ako sa yung pagkain na Russian. So curious daw siya kung ano daw magiging reaction ko kasi talagang authentic Russian to. Pero ang talagang dahilan, hindi naman talaga sa curious siya kung ano yung nasa. Ako ginagawa mong dahilan para makabili ka ng mga ano. Wala namang problema sa akin kung gusto mong bumili ng mga pagkain.
You used but you didn't try it naman. Wait,
huh?
I said that at least you will try. So that's the first account.
You will try?
That's the first account.
So ito, ayan yung account na napakita
But if only you speak Russian, I think that's the only way if you can order.
Ayan, pakita ko sa'yo. Kasi Russian lahat, so hindi ko alam kung makikita niyo yan. Siguro lagay na lang namin yung link dyan sa baba.
Then second one is really you can speak in English there.
Ayan yung pinagbila namin. So, ayan yung mga pagkain. Sige.
I'm so hungry. I will eat it all.
So, hindi talaga ang reason para matikman ka.
Tikman mo. Pero ako kakain ko. What in Russian food?
Ano? Ako titikim lang, pero ikaw kakain.
So there is no time to cook this kind of food, so I can order now. I know where to order now. I will always order.
Bakit mahirap ba talagang ano yun? Mahirap talagang.
No, it's like because we have a baby. Now it's like not so much time like before, and it's like you need to put effort to find ingredients. You need to do that. And like if you.
So paano nila nakukuha ingredients?
Siyempre, it's their job. They will.
So malalaman natin kung talagang authentic. So
siyempre, what do you mean? What do you mean?
Malay mo, hindi naman authentic. Alam mo yun, yung kunwari, di ba? Nasa ano ka, nasa Amerika ka o nasa somewhere abroad ka, tapos gagawa ka ng adobo. So hindi siya authentic kasi yung mga ingredients na ginamit.
I'm sure it's authentic here.
Pinuk lang namin sa Lalamove lang talaga. Wala siya kasing restaurant, di mo siya mag-grab. Pre-order siya, may to-order siya. Sayang no, kung pwede na siyang kumain, matitikman niya sana no.
Maliit pa siya.
Kung pwede nga di ba? Patikim natin kung masarap ba talaga yung Russian food o ano.
Don't worry, she will grow up eating all Russian food.
So itong pagkain na to, talagang bago lahat sa akin. No? Kumbaga, malayo sa mga pagkain ng ano, ng Pinoy.
You still didn't try it. There is one thing that I'm so excited
Pero
about.
Bakit may exotic ba pagkain doon?
Parang you can say it's exotic. Even Russians, not all Russian people likes it.
Nandiyan na yung pagkain, mga pre. Kukunin na natin.
You will get it because I'm feeding.
Kasi nagpapadede si Vika.
No, kanino?
Hindi kita. So, ayan. Kunin na natin sa baba. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero parang hindi ako na-excite sa pagkain. Na-excite ako doon sa reaction ni Vika. So, ito na mga pre. Marami-rami pala yung in-order ni Vika. Yan, sabi dito na tayo. Di ba? Sabi ko, hindi ako na-excite na tikman yung pagkain. Mas nakaka-excite kasi yung mukha mo. Pagkakainin mo na to.
Let's eat it all.
Tingnan mo, grabe yung dami mong in-order.
The other one arrived?
Meron pa?
Yeah, the other one. There's one more.
Meron pa raw.
Oh my god, it's like so pretty packaging, honey. Did you see that? And what a smell! Oh my god, we have freebies! Russian konfetka!
Kung tawa yung mami mo, iniwan ka dito para sa pagkain niya. No? Ito na mga pre, yung isa, nakuha na natin. Ayan, may nakasulat pa, Russian doll. Nakasilip ka. Nakasilip ka. Honey, bakit may brand? Is it like restaurant?
Yeah, she has website.
Yan yung may website.
Okay, so
ano
this we need to cook.
Kailangan pang lutuin. Kala ko luto na.
No, it's
Ano yan?
This is vareniki.
Vareniki.
Oh, I already made. Look, there's already boiling water.
Ha?
Water is boiling.
Naka-ready ka na agad?
Yes. Okay, so this one is
Ano to?
like pelmeni, but not pelmeni.
Okay.
I will not cook a lot, I will cook simple. That's special. God, I'm gonna put some fiesta.
Ay ko sa inyo mga pre, mas exciting yung ano yung tag ito, reaction ni Bika kaysa dun sa pagkain eh. Dahil ito mga in-order mo.
Ito.
Saka ito pa. So, yung isa
Called sirniki.
Firniki.
Yes, this is sweet.
Ito Vareniki.
Yes. This is sweet. This is cottage.
Ayan.
Yeah.
So, ilalagay din sa mainit na tubig?
No, I fry it. It's written.
Anong tawag dito?
Sirniki. Uy. Vareniki.
Vareniki.
It's with cottage also.
Mukhang di masarap ah. Iba yung reaction mo eh.
No. I never made that palaman before.
Anong consist nito?
Cottage and dill. So it's not sweet. No, you need to... Oh.
Teka baka mainit eh. Ba't hinahawakan ang ulo ko?
No, I think I overcooked a bit. But I like it.
Masarap.
Masarap.
Masarap siya pero hindi siya yung ano. Hindi siya yung parang mabibiglaan sobrang sarap. Pero okay lang yung lasa niya. Pero masarap. Gusto ko siya. Hindi siya yung kunwari kakainin ko ngayon tapos ayoko na. Hindi. Parang siya yung pagkain na kakainin ko ngayon, kakainin ko ulit.
Because this vareniki have many different feelings.
Para siyang yun nga yung kinain natin, pilmeni.
Yeah.
Yun.
Because it's a cottage cheese. Kesong puti.
That's cottage cheese. Okay, yun. Medyo malapit nga doon.
This one, I don't know what did they do. This one become maganda. This one I didn't cook nicely. I don't know why am I like that. But this one is also from cottage. It's called sirniki. But this one is sweet. It's always, it's a dessert. Or like a breakfast.
Yeah, masarap siyang dessert. Masarap ha. Kakaiba talaga yung lasa niya. Hindi siya yung parang ordinaryong pancake, yung ganun. Iba, parang feeling mo talaga pag kumain ka. Nasa ibang bansa ka.
Oh my god, it's like we're in different country. Let's try spreads.
Binili mo rin tong spread. Kala ko kasama.
Hindi spread to.
So, titikman ko yung spread, walang tinapay.
I will give you tinapay. Oh my god, drama.
Nagtatanong lang ako, syempre hindi ko alam yan.
This one is liver spread. Is it liver spread? I just miss liver spread in Lithuania. It's so good. Oh my god.
Ajika. What is ajika?
I hate liver. I hate livers, but liver spread I can eat.
Meron kaming liver spread.
On you, it's like a chemical. We'll get tinapay.
Ako, gusto ko liver spread eh.
But it's chemicals.
Dati kasi, maraming ginagawang bahay sa amin. Tapos, yung mga nagko-construction worker kasi, pag yung merienda nila, pinautusan lagi ako na bili ako ng ban sa Carreno. So, hindi nakikikain din lagi ako.
Oh my god, the consistency is like in this. My mom makes such a good liver spread also. That's how we eat it.
Kayo gumagawa ng liver spread? Mama mo marunong gumawa?
Oh my god, it's so easy. I will give you the way we eat it at home. Like that. And
sige.
what we need is...
Uy, ano yun? Ganun talaga kakainin yan?
Kulang vodka.
Parang umiinom ka ng vodka.
Okay, try it. I missed that.
Parang lasang liver talaga.
Di ba some people don't like liver?
Yeah.
But like this one you can eat, di ba?
Di ako mahilig sa atay na pagkain pag kumakain. Ang pinaka-atay ko lang kinakain talaga, yung Reno. Liver spread, sobrang...
Hindi lasang Reno?
Hindi siya lasang Reno. Yung Reno kasi talagang malalasahan mo. Pag kinain mo yung Reno, malasang malasa talaga. Pero siya hindi. Eh yun pa lang naman yung yun, natural. Yun kasi ang lasa niya talaga, natural na natural.
Look how you do liver spread. Okay, next spread. Because this is really like Russian. Like we have it a lot.
Ano ko yung lasa? Yung amoy niya eh.
Oh my god, ang sarap na naman. But this is different consistency ajika. Everyone is making different ajikas. Uy. Ano? Masarap ang black bread.
Sarap ah.
Oh my god, I missed that. It's good.
Lasang ibang bansa talaga.
Really not Filipino taste, like as in not.
No. Malayo sa Filipino taste.
Okay, look at this.
Oh.
What do you think it is?
Carrots.
Okay.
Parang ano siya, parang ano yung kinakain natin? Carrots na may ano. Anong tawag doon sa kinakain natin? Atsara. Di ba parang atsara yan?
Hindi, honey, it's
Jelly?
It's meat jelly. Honey, it's meat
Parang
jelly.
nakakabahan ako dito. So, tuwan-tuwa ah.
We need sibuyas.
Para saan?
Actually, mas masarap with black bread, but it's okay with white bread. Actually, I'm also not a lover of that. I only eat it if my mom cooked that. But others
O, ikaw muna tumikim. So, hindi mo pala gusto yan eh. Tapos papatikim mo sa akin.
You see that?
Ah.
It's jelly, honey.
Okay, sige. Kainin mo na.
But it's like that. You do this.
Bakit ganyan? Hindi, kainin mo muna yan. Oo. Ano yan? Parang chaser?
No, that's how you eat it, honey.
Ah, okay.
Alright?
So, ganun yung pagkain yan. Tama. Paano pag kinain mo lang yan? Ito ba hindi masarap? Hindi ko alam. Matitikman natin. Doon natin malalaman tayo titikim.
I don't know your reaction because I saw some people doing like...
Parang hindi ko nakita reaction niya. Ano naging reaction mo doon? Masarap ba? Ano nga? Okay, na-hold mo lang reaction mo.
I will get you because I know you will take little.
Grabe ka naman eh. Ang laki-laki niya na.
Okay, like that.
Ano yung ano lang?
Honey,
Bago lang ako eh.
honey, it's just meat. Ah!
Sigurado.
Oo.
Amoy pa lang parang iba. Grabe yung tawa mo ah.
Honey, it's good.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Bakit konti na lang kaya?
Ano, try. You will not feel... No,
Ano yung uunahin? Ito o ito?
doesn't matter. O, sibuyas na lang.
Sibuyas una?
No,
Tas
bread and then sibuyas.
bread, sibuyas.
Here. But chew it first.
Bakit ba
Okay,
parang
okay.
alam mo, hindi ako natatakot dito eh. Parang nakakatakot yung mukha mo. Sige.
Okay. Wait! Stop!
Ba't ganun?
Bakit?
Ayoko na.
Bakit? And you forced me to eat balot.
Ha?
Before, many years ago, I don't remember. May kasama itlog.
Ayoko.
Ani,
Ayoko
for
na.
Sophie.
Ano kinalaman ni Sophie dito?
Bakit ayaw mo?
Ayoko ng texture niya.
That's many foreigners, they don't like it.
Really? So hindi lahat din ng foreigner gusto yan. Pati Russian.
My family don't like it, only my mom.
Uy, heart.
So cute.
So ganyan talaga pag...
Yeah, this kind of bread is really like that.
Di ba siya yung
Oh
semada?
god.
Ano?
I got my school again. It's so good with tea. Tea, coffee, oh my god.
Harap ah.
Oh my god. Yummy.
Masarap. Ang sarap niya ah.
Did you notice that bread here is different than the...
Yeah, it's really different. Iba rin to sa bread talk.
Yeah, bread talk is like very,
Iba.
very soft.
Sobrang iba niya sa bread talk din.
This is like more filling, I don't know, more heavier, like that.
Parang ang heavy niya, tapos ang lambot niya. Ang sarap naman ng mga pagkain sa Europe.
And it's just normal food. Next one is different bread. Look at this. Remember, I make also like that? And they were also shining like that?
Bango ah.
So soft. Try. You will guess what's the feeling. What's the inside.
Gumawa si Bika nito, alam ko.
But I never
Hindi ko
made
masyado
feeling like
nagustuhan.
that.
Ah, bakit?
Sakit. Ito, sabi mo, kung sorot.
Kala ko totoo lang tayo.
Sige.
Hindi ko nagustuhan.
Sabi mo, hindi ko masyadong magustuhan.
Hindi. Alam mo naman yun na pinag-usapan na natin yun na. Kumbaga, di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi ako mahilig sa tinapay.
Okay, just try. The feeling is in the middle usually. What's the feeling?
Matata. Kala ko yung meat na gawa mo.
No, this is not meat. That's why I bought
Kasi may
different.
ginawa siyang meat. Or baka lang hindi maganda pagkakabake mo nun.
It's maganda.
Ah, maganda ba? Hindi, gusto ko sabihin masarap eh. Kaya lang baka di maganda pagkakabake. So, maling word pala.
The one you didn't like is the one that was with cabbage. Or with meat you like. Flashback. I like with meat.
Hindi, kunwari na lang. Wala akong narinig. No, I like your food. Hindi lang pasok sa taste ko.
Ikaw, hindi ka pasok sa taste ko. Liver cake.
Ah, so kaparehas ng liver spread.
Because in my family, for example, we also don't like livers.
How about this? Yung gusto lahat ng family mo yan?
Yeah. if it's my mom who makes it. Only if it's my mom who does that.
Ah, so...
He marunong to make it that you will not feel liver. It's no, a cake. You're not amazed? Liver cake.
Sarap talaga.
It's good.
Ako makakapagsabi talaga, di ba? Hindi ko nalalasan yung liver. Okay
Oh, see?
Para siyang meat cake. Para siyang chicken cake, ganun.
Parang masarap.
Yeah.
You gonna eat it all? Oh, it means you like it.
Yeah. This is sweet. Ano tong candy to?
It's Russian candies. It's previous thing. It's so nice
sa Russia mo lang ba naibibili to?
Also in Lithuania you can buy it. Красная шапочка. Try. Yeah, it's waffle. Not all! Leave to me.
Para siyang Cloud9 na waffle. Alam mo Cloud9?
Do you have waffle?
Oo. Hindi waffle yung Cloud9, pero yung nasa niya ng chocolate Cloud9.
No. Smells like honey, right? Давай, cut check.
Ba't ganyan yung cut mo?
Dun.
Ba't ganyan yung cut mo?
No, dapat.
Baligo yung cut mo, wala sa gitna.
Really? Doesn't matter. See? It's honey cake. Me first.
Me first.
Oh my god. I miss that. Try. There is no like that in Philippines. Oh my god, it's so good, honey.
Namiss ko to
Okay, next one is called Areshki. See?
Hindi talaga ako magaling sa pag-ano. Bawal ako maging food critic. Caramel.
No. You know condensed milk? Boiled condensed milk.
Nakalimutan ko exact na tawag sa boiled condensed milk. Parang leche noche like that.
Dolce Buena. Dolce de leche. Dolce de luce.
Tikman na namin lahat.
Which one you like the most?
Yung tinapay na heart.
And the least? I know, jelly, right?
Jelly, the least. Na-enjoy tasting Russian food.
Kakaiba?
Yeah, kakaiba lahat. As in kakaiba lahat. Walang parang parehas na natikman mo na. Hindi ko masasabing, ay natikman ko na to. Kaya hindi ko ma-explain sa inyo din yung lasa kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko ba, ano bang kalasa nito. Kasi parang wala talagang kalasa. Texture lang pwede pero wala talagang kalasa. Pero number 1 talaga kaiba para sa akin yung pilmeni. Saka number 1 sa akin talaga yung dito, borscht.
I will not eat for dinner.
Anong kakainin ko? Oo nga, okay na siguro yun.
For what?
Thank you for letting me experience this kind of food.
When I cook like that, you're not like that.
Ganyan din ako sa'yo
No.
Off-cam.
You said, I don't like tinapay.
Kasi sinasabi ko sa'yo, at paano mo malalaman yung taste ko?
Masarap kasi yung tinapay ko.
Masarap yung tinapay mo, hindi lang ako mahilig sa
My
tinapay.
mom is calling, I will complain about you.
Let me call Mamachka.
No, leave her alone.
Bakit? Kakausapin ko si Mamachka.
No, you will say something bad. Like you always know.
Ha? What bad?
You will say me, oh, Mamachka, Vika is hurting me. Oh, no. Like that. No.
Why? Bakit ayaw mo pausap sa akin, nanay mo?
No, because you will complain about me, I told you.
What did I complain about you?
And you say, Mama, Vika is like that. She's hitting me. And then they will think, you are joking and they think it's true.
I will ask your mom when they
I
will
will
come
send
here.
message to them.
Ha?
I will tell her.
Kasi gusto ko makatikim pa ng ibang Russian, so antayin ko mama mo kailan
She
sila
will
pupunta.
come.
Okay.
Tomorrow.